Hi, welcome. This is Bob Price again, here to touch upon a subject that many people want to know more information about. You may be working for a company that has a 401k and wondering, what should I do? Should I do the maximum I can put into it? Are there other types of vehicles I should be using? One of the considerations is to consider the fact that the money you are tax deducting now will be taxed later on and probably at a higher tax rate. So one of the things I always tell people is, if your employer has a match, definitely do the amount up to the match, because obviously the return on that money is 100%. Anything above that, there's a better vehicle that most people are not knowledgeable about. It's called Index Universal Life Insurance. In this product, you can get historical returns of 7 to 8%, caps each year up to 12%, and the growth of the money grows tax deferred. But the benefit that you want to know about is that all the money down the road you can get tax free rather than taxable at a higher rate perhaps in your 401k. In addition, you're probably considering buying a life insurance anyway. Why not buy a life insurance that not only gives you growth of tax-free money for retirement, college funding as well if you need it, with no limitations or requirements on how you take out the money, like a 401k or a qualified plan has. And what I mean is, a qualified plan requires you to wait till 59 and a half to get the money, and if you take money before that, there's a 10% penalty. In addition, let's say that you have done well in your lifetime with other assets and really don't need to live on that money. Do you know that with required minimum distributions in that qualified plan, the government forces you starting at 70 and a half to liquidate all the money in that account over your lifetime? Those are things you need to consider, and that's why life insurance used in a better fashion to accomplish maybe more than you could ever do in a qualified plan is something you ought to consider. To know more about this, please contact us.